Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna network connection error. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wait and then turn it back off. Then, this will refresh your network connection. Then restart your phone and open the Klarna app again. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Klarna, and then make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. If the error still persists, on Android, clear the app's cache from your settings and try again. That's how you fix the Klarna network connection error. Do not forget to like